Hey everyone, back out in the garage tonight. I just wanted to talk about something tonight real quick. These 3D printed tire foams. Does anyone have any experience with these? A good buddy of mine printed these off for me. George, shout out to you, buddy. And he told me to give them a try. So first I'm going to see, he didn't know if they would fit. He said they're made for Proline tires. So these are Traxxas stock tires here. So I'm going to pull these foam out. See if I can get these in. He didn't know if they'd fit or not. So a little tip for you guys. I don't know how you like to do it. I like to just kind of scrunch these up and try to just wad them in there. And then kind of just pull them back apart in there. Make sure you pull them all the way out to the outside of the wheels too, just to make sure they get there. They look like they're going to fit. Okay, seem pretty good. I believe you're going to get that nice cushion on these, but you're going to retain that sidewall rigidity. So maybe side hill a little bit better for you. So I'm going to see if I can get one of these trill bead locks to go over this, just to make sure it fits on her okay. There ain't no issues with it. Like I said, I did not make these. A buddy of mine did. Gave them to me to try them. I never used them before. I'm sure a lot of other people have. So if you have, leave a comment. Let us know how you guys like them, or what everybody else is actually running. Foams, dual stage. Get that in there. Looking good. Make sure we're not pinched. Get this outer ring on. While I'm putting this together, I got another question for everybody. I see that they have the Traxxas Trx4s, the High Countries Sports. They're on sale for $2.99 right now. And to me, that just seems like a good deal. For $2.99, you're basically getting a TRX4 Sport with the lift kit on it. And I mean, that's, I believe, about $100 upgrade. And I don't understand why they're selling them for so cheap. If they're trying to unload, they got a lot of stock or what. But that deal just seems too good to pass up. When a regular TRX4 Sport is $329. So I don't understand how it's $30 more for the base model. I mean, for $2.99, that gets somebody right in the game. There's a lot you could do with that. I mean, just if you bought it to use it as a basher, it's worth it. Or make it into some other project. So I was just curious on everybody's opinion on it. I was thinking about picking one up for that price. All right, I'm not going to put all these screws in. Everybody, I believe, knows how to put bead locks on. If not, we'll do another vid on it later. Yeah, they're going to bolt right up, no problems at all. Looking good. If you guys have any experience with the 3D printed custom tire foams, let me know in the comments. And I'm going to do a review on these two out in the field after I get them all bolted up and everything like that. We'll do a little review, see how it is. Again, I just want to thank George for setting me up with these, let me try them out, see how they are. So thanks, George. All right, everybody, I'll talk to you later.